introduction to Forex trade, and also we did introduction to our new name, the Imperium team. Now, tonight, we are going to do the business presentation because we believe that everyone here on this Zoom wants to understand about this project and make good use of it. So, pay good attention as we welcome our one and only leader, Emrys Bassi, or the Alpha Emrys, to share with us this wonderful project and also to tell us the exciting things and the things that made him join this project. Emrys, are you there? Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. I'm here.
All right. So over to you for the presentation. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here tonight. My dear partners, in fact, tonight we are coming to have a very wonderful session. And just as we have promised, this presentation is already live. It's live streaming on YouTube. So you can go to the tutorial videos we've been sharing with you. You can go on the YouTube and go to live side. You are going to see every of our presentations from today with all the leaders. You are going to see it over there. You know, we are going to be adding Twitch and also Facebook, hopefully tomorrow. And this is just so that we can grow from all aspects. And as we are already doing, every leader who is active in the community, we are picking up your links one by one. And every of these videos, they are going to carry each leader's link. So those who are active, we know you. Those who are working, we know those that we need to support to also grow. So thank you so much. Let's go to the order of tonight, which is why we are here. We told you we are going to have our own slide, and yes, it is ready. We'll be doing more or much improvement as time goes on. My name is Emrys Alpha from Ghana. I'm going to be taking you through tonight's presentation. So if you can hear me, kindly put 1 in the chat box. Let me know that I am really audible so we can get started to share this amazing opportunity. While we wait to do that, the reason why I said yes to this opportunity is the fact that, you know, one, we have a broker that is licensed, that is first registered, licensed, regulated, and to be a plus or to add up as a plus is insured by Lloyd's of London. Lloyd's of London is actually great. So I'm sharing my reason why I said yes to this. And the fact that the traders have a public record you can follow. And also another factor is the fact that you can trace and track everything that is happening with your trading account on MetaTrader 5. So that alone is something very much more of a plus to me, and why I said yes to this opportunity, aside all the other good things that they have. So without wasting much time, let's get on. Now, don't get confused. The Imperium is our team in AITECH, okay? The Imperium is our team. That's our team name. We want to build a very serious organization here, right? So let's get started. Now, we are talking about the order of the day, and we are saying that why do we exist as the Imperium? Why? We as people who want to build an empire, why do we exist? We exist to do what? Restore hope, develop leaders. So we are resurrecting dreams, building empires, which we are aiming at what? Creating a global impact. So we believe that it is one step to success partnering with us. And you might not see it tonight, but we know that as we grow together as a team, you are going to be seeing why it is very important to belong to a circle that has great influence. Now imagine you are an eagle and then you are in the midst of chicken. Now you would think and act like them, but imagine you are an eagle in the midst of eagles. You are going to bring out the best in you. So we believe that we have the right opportunity, but it is not enough. We need to build a circle of like-minded individuals that can believe in bringing out the best in each other, which can help create the difference that we are looking for. So in that regard, we don't want to join and build like affiliates. No, we are recruiting those who were on the call yesterday. We are recruiting founders. We are recruiting CEOs of future conglomerates. So when you join, we are saying that have a vision, okay? So after joining, go back to your AITECH dashboard and go to profile, change your name over there to the company that you want to build in the future. Okay, so I have some examples here. We'll be changing this to suit our leaders, the active leaders that we have. So we have Miss Lily, okay, who is the founder of Lily Group of Companies. We have Mr. Ivo, CEO of AITECH. So we just want you to think big into the future so that as you are making the money here, you make so much sense about the money, okay? And what do CEOs do? You are a CEO of your empire. So what do? You are dynamic. You should be goal-oriented, and you should be an action taker. So we are saying that you should develop the CEO mindset. Think and act like a CEO because you have a business to build. And like I just said, choose your empire name, go back to your AITECH dashboard and change that name over there to your company's name so that anytime you log in, you know that there is a vision you have to pursue. There is a lion chasing you, so you cannot walk as if tortoise is chasing you, right? You cannot walk like someone who is being chased by a tortoise. You have a big vision. So anytime you are logging into your AITECH back office, you might think you are just logging into your back office, but I want you to think that you are logging into the groups of company you want to build. You are logging into the head office. So what do you do? Build that company for the ownership of tomorrow. Now, to do this as an individual coming together with this mindset, we need a system, okay? We need a system or vehicle. And we are, as I said here, every empire needs a vehicle or system to thrive, okay? And we have AITECH being the gateway to this system. We have AITECH that is giving us the empowerment to have the dreams that we are looking for. So through AITECH, we have the TAG Market, which is the Forex broker. Then through TAG Market, we now have the Sonic AI, and we also have the Bit1 exchange. So those of us who love crypto, whatever is happening on TAG Market, which is the broker right now, that you are able to copy traders. The same thing is going to be happening on Bit1 exchange, which also belongs to TM Financials. Okay, so you can either trade crypto by yourself, or you can just copy other good traders that are on the platform. Okay, so that is one step away, which means you are going to diversify your income. It's not going to be only in Forex. You also now have the access to crypto to make more money from there. Okay, now we also have the Bix card, which you can now connect to your Apple or Google wallet, and you can spend unlimited on that wallet. And the same way, all the bonuses, okay, from the exchange and then the wallet, there is a partnership. So the 60% of the profit generated in fees are going to come to us as people who are building our empires, and that is really amazing. I thought someone would be putting some fire emojis in the chat box and would be so excited about what I'm sharing with you. We are using one bed, which is the entry with AITECH, to kill all this. We have a full-fledged crypto exchange, a full-fledged trading strategy to copy, and a full-fledged crypto wallet to use in the system. And you can withdraw your commissions directly onto this card. This is amazing. So we have the system or the vehicle being AITECH. Now, what is or why TAG Market? Now, TAG Market on its own is a Forex broker. And we as retail traders or retail Forex traders, we cannot trade Forex without a broker, okay? So this means that you need a broker that has everything that is necessary of a good broker so that you can do what? You can make money. right? So that is why we have tag markets. And these are some of the things to look out for, which are the reasons why we are so excited and proud of tag market. One, it is licensed and regulated. It is insured by Lloyd's of London. Yes, Lloyd's of London is the world's most respected insurance corporations. And if they are in the space or the scope to kind of insure tag markets, then you should know you are dealing with a whole entity. You are dealing with a force in the Forex broker space, right? Because Lloyd's of London, with their influence and with their name they have built, their legacy, they will not come and then insure tag markets if we are not legit, right? So one, they also, the third thing is they are powered by top tier one liquidity providers. So when we talk about top tier one liquidity providers, we are talking about the likes of Barclays and UBS, Goldman Sachs, and all those, big, liquidity providers. So I'm not saying Barclays is a liquidity provider to tag market. I'm just showing you the likes when we talk about top tier one liquidity providers, and tag market is boasting of over 70 liquidity, top tier one liquidity providers. Now, there is also a free Forex trading academy. Those of us who want to learn, remember our goal here is not just to make money. We want to become better versions of ourselves. If tomorrow you decide not to engage again with tag market, don't just leave because you have made money. Leave being a different person than you joined tag market, right? So all the time, your goal is to become a better version than whoever you were. So if you were able to learn Forex trading through tag market, which of course we have some of the gurus, the Forex trading gurus among us, Mr. Mutala is there who presented this amazing opportunity to us yesterday, right? So you are not only going to learn from the system, you have these gurus also teaching you, so that you can actually have a better feel of the ecosystem that we are building. Also, you have the amplifier, which is the 12x or the 24x. Now, when we talk about these, people feel like it's not possible. But in Forex, we call something prop firm. Prop firms are like financial institutions that gives you capital more than you have to trade with to make more profit, right? But then there are so many challenges with prop firms, right? And for you to access this funding, so example, you have $1,000, you want to trade with $10,000. Now you need to buy a $10,000 account. I'm just giving you an example, okay? You need to buy a $10,000 account with your $1,000, and after buying, you are asked to pass a challenge. Now, if you fail the challenge, that $1,000 is gone, and you will not have the 10,000 to trade, okay? But then, when you are able to pass the challenge, you now have access to the 10,000 to trade with. And guess what? There are so many people who trade Forex who are good at trading who have still been failing these challenges, but they will not come out to say why. It will dent their image and their credibility they are building. Because if you tell me you are a good Forex trader and then you fail the challenge, you will not feel confident to tell me because I'll think less of you, right? So they are not saying. So that is why tag market is growing at a very faster speed. Tag market says, if you believe yourself enough, come, we'll fund you 12x to trade by yourself, or both 12x or 24x to connect to the traders that we have. And that is why we have the almighty Sonic AI. This is Sonic AI is from Sonic Experts. These are a 15-year, group of professional Forex traders, right? And they specialize in the best of the best, right? So we are now copying their strategy called the Sonic AI on tag market. What is Forex? Forex is the world's biggest and largest financial market in the world, like I said, and it has the highest liquidity. It has also been trading 24/5, which means Monday to Friday, and there are so many currency pairs. So it's just in simple form, trading one currency against the other, okay? And we are saying that Forex market has a daily trading volume of 7.5 trillion. It is not a matter of the daily volume. The question is, what are you taking home from this? what are you taking home from this trading volume? And the second question is, are you bringing liquidity to the good traders, or you are picking liquidity from the bad traders? So it's two things. You lose, the good traders win. You win, the bad traders that are losing are becoming liquidity onto you. So it is very vital to have a strategy in the system that can rather fetch you money instead of making you lose money into the market. So that is why we are dealing with the Sonic AI through copy trading. Now, copy trading means that we have the master trader over here who is trading in his own account. Then this is me, yeah, with my beard, that is me. Then we have Leader Lillian, we have Leader Mutala, we have DSP Jane also over here, and we are connecting our account. So that is what you do in the system. You connect your account to the master trader's account, which is the Sonic AI. So as the Sonic AI account is trading in their own account, your account is picking the same trade and following their footsteps. So that is what we call copy trading, and it is simple. You do not enter any trade by yourself. You do not close any trade. You do not enter any stop loss or take profits by yourself. No, it is completely on autopilot. So when you come here, you are going to make money from the Forex market completely on autopilot. There is no involvement required from your end. Okay, so that is what we call what? Copy trading. Now, you also have your own MetaTrader 5 login, and you can see the trade history on the chart. So all this you are seeing here, I forgot to tell you this, for a better experience, turn your phone horizontally. Turn your phone horizontally so you can have a full feel of what we are presenting, okay? You have the MetaTrader 5 to track your logins, the trading activities on the chart. You also have the history aspect where you can see the profits and losses and everything, the balances and all those in your own MetaTrader 5. You can also track it on the broker. So you are not giving your money to the traders. You are having your money on Tag Market, which is the broker, because your money is not coming to AITECH. Your money is not going to Sonic traders because they do not bear the license to hold or to handle your finances. It is only Tag Market, which that is also another security, because we have had such in the past where we give our monies to companies, they tell us they are trading, they vanish with the money and they are gone. Right now, your money is on Tag Market, which is the broker, and you are only connecting to the traders, okay? So now let's look at the Sonic experts, the performance of the Sonic strategy. And when we look at the performance on Tag Market, you can see they have done very well. Now, this has really gone beyond the numbers you are seeing over here. You can see the maximum drawdown, 0.26, and the win rate is 86% plus. That is amazing. And look, for a trader to have over 300 trades, so we are looking about over 380 trades, and to maintain 86% win rate and 0.26 drawdown, you are far, far, far away from blowing or losing your account. Okay, then let's look at their public trading history on my FX book. Okay, they are third party. You can check. My FX book is an independent entity where you can track traders' activities, okay, and so on. So now on my FX book, you can see that in 2024, November, which they started this Sonic strategy or the copy trading, where people can now copy their trades. Their first month over there in November 2024, they had 1.12. Now, I'm sure that this 1.12, imagine you have $1,000 that is trading for you. 1.12 in a month will not make sense to you, right? If it is me, imagine you have $1,000, 1.12 is $11.20 in what? In a month, and it doesn't make sense. But that is where the amplifier we spoke about, the 12x and the 24x come into play. So Tag Market says that we believe that these traders are so good. So therefore, we are giving you 24x so that with their 1% target in a month, you can make more profit. So now Tag Market has increased your capital by 24. So you have $1,000 now times 24. It means your account is now trading with $24,000. So look at it. In the month of November 2024, they achieved 1.12%. So when you look at that 1.12% of the $24,000, that's $268, dollars. Now looking at it relatively to your ordinary $1,000, that is 26.8%, which makes sense. Better than connecting directly with your raw capital. So I know that now we understand the essence of the amplifier. That is why we are urging everyone not to miss the 24x amplifier. Okay? Then now, there's no weekly, there's no monthly, there's no annual subscription fee. No. The only thing here is profit sharing. So 70-30 profit sharing. What does this mean? It means that whatever profit that you make here, you keep 70% and then the traders take 30%. Now this 30, they only keep 5 and give the rest of the 25 to the affiliate community in 10 different levels. Okay, so you earn 2.5% on each level up to the level 10. We'll be teaching more of this in the week. Okay, so there's going to be a compensation plan class also, okay, where we go deeper into this. Now, disclaimer, there is risk in trading the financial market, so do your due diligence. Yes, if you are here and we are believing that this is a very good opportunity for us with low risk and we are taking low risk, which means there is still risk. So if you are here and you do not understand this, and you are here just to blame someone, God forbid, if something goes on, you are not ready. This is not the right place for you. We want people who will be responsible, understand what we are doing, are responsible, and are taking their own decision, right? Responsible people are always successful people because they are responsible for their actions. So let us be responsible. Let us understand these things. The way you are making money and you are excited, you can also lose money like that. Just that the strategy is performing, is amazing, and we love it, okay? Now, go pro, go professional. This is where we are done with people who do not have interest in sharing the opportunity with others, okay, but just want to do their own, their own investment and make their money. They have tens of thousands of dollars. They want to make their good money. Now, let me tell you something. To be honest with you, okay, if you feel like you want to invest something that is going to change your life. But if you do not have that which could change your life, my friend, my brother, my partner, you need to think otherwise. You need to leverage. You need to build a network. You need to work. And that is the honest truth, right? Because if I have $100 and I say that I'm not interested in team building, but I want to invest that $100, how do I become a millionaire through that? I need to think again. I need to have a different approach. So we are saying that go professional. And that is what the Imperium is about. We are about becoming a different version through the low risk approach. Okay. So we have the affiliate commission over here. The affiliate commission, we are saying that, 5 incomes. We have one, which is profit sharing. Remember, I told you when profit is made, there is 70-30 split. You keep 70%. We have 25%. That is spread across 10 levels. That's the profit sharing. It is paid every Saturday. And thank God, most of the people on this call are already receiving. Others too are going to be receiving from this weekend. And it is amazing. We have the trading or lot commission. Now, the trading or lot commission is like trading fee. Those of us who trade crypto, when you execute futures trading or any trading, once the trade is executed, there is a fee you pay. Whether you win or you lose the trade, they have taken their fees. It's like a gateway to a fish pond, right? Where you pay gate fee before you go and fish, right? So whether you go and win, you go and catch fish, or you have not caught any fish, you have already paid your gate fee, they have made their money. That is what we call the lot commission over here. Tag market is connecting you to the Forex market. So whether you go and make money or not, that fee is already collected and they still share part with us, okay? So this one also goes 10 generations. Now we have the CPA, which is called cost per acquisition. Now those who understand marketing or are into online ads and so on will understand this better. Now, cost per acquisition is how much it costs you to convert a customer, not to get a customer, right? You can have so many customers reaching out and all those things, but how much does it cost you to get one customer that becomes a paying customer, a customer that is buying from you. That is what we call CPA. Now, if you will bear with me, I'm sure you have seen so many excellence ads, right, and other brokers, but you have not seen Tag Market ad. Why? They have adopted a different approach. So I always say that the marketers of Tag Market, they are on a different level. Because listen, you are a broker, Forex broker, and we know Forex is technical, yet still you are just marketing to someone who knows nothing about Forex. You are wasting that money. Why not put that money into the people you already have on your platform who know about Forex so that they can get the excitement to now draw more people to you? But you spend millions to advertise. I can tell you since when I've been seeing excellence ad and other brokers, but I have never registered until a friend told me he'll be giving me signal. I have to use his link, and I did so. You understand? So that is what Tag Market is giving to us, called the CPA bonus, cost per acquisition. And my leaders, there is so much money here. I want somebody to type in the comment box, too much money. There is overpopulated money here in CPA bonus, right? So that is what we are talking about. Now, you can earn from 1% up to 7.5% of the total team turnover under you, right? From 1% up to 7.5% of the total monthly turnover. And people are hitting so hard, right? Now we have the leadership pool. So with this leadership pool, this is where when you are performing amazingly well, they have two criteria of the leadership pool. They have 1 and 2. Okay, so all the lot fees that are charged, $2 are put aside. $2 is put aside, $1 into leadership pool $1 into leadership pool 2. So now at the end of the month, depending on the number of leaders there, you get to share whatever is there. So let's say leadership pool 1 has $1 million, okay? And there are 100 leaders over there. It means they are going to be sharing $10,000, right? Now, if there are only 10 leaders in leadership pool 2, and they say 1 million is there, it means they'll be sharing $100,000. That is how the leadership works. Leadership pool works. And then we have the incentives, which is the rank incentive. And thank God, our Grand Upline has already gotten that 1.2 million rank incentive. And I'm telling you, that is a sign. Yesterday, those who were on the platform, there are two types of leaders. There is the leader that wants to make things happen, and there is another leader that wants to see something happen before he believes. Now, if you are any of these two leaders, you still have a place here. You are the leader that wants to make things happen. We are building something, and we know we can make it happen. If you are the leader that wants to see things happen before they take it serious, then our Grand Upline has shown that it is possible and it is happening. So wherever you find yourself, my leaders, we have a big, big gold mine here. Then come to Dare to Dream. So Dare to Dream is our 90-day strategic building plan, okay, where we are saying that whatever you believe in this world that can happen to you positively in financial terms and personal development, it is possible. So we are building together as a team. We are building together as future CEOs. So we are building an empire, not an affiliate system. Okay? So that is what we want to do in Dare to Dream. So what are we doing? We are thinking differently from just the matter of bringing people in, though we use that as the basics to expand our community. But we are also focusing on personal development so that when you leave the Imperium one day, you will go and find a skill with you that is useful, and you will remember that you had this skill from somewhere. Okay? So that is why we are saying that when you join us, have a different mindset and fulfill the basic requirements. And the basic requirement for you to earn these commissions in the system is that you should have personally $250 trading, and you should have 5 people who are also trading with the minimum of 250 to open the 10 levels. That is what we are doing, because until you do that, we do not see you as a qualified CEO in our system, in our Imperium community. But the moment you unlock your 10 levels, yeah, we know that you are now a qualified member. Now, let me tell you something that will blow your mind, guys. let me tell you something, beyond profit, beyond profit. So we want to do something that is not only going to be in our pockets or it is going to be in the things we are doing, but we are going to go beyond the money we are doing, we are making, okay? And I call it, or we call it, the Imperium experience. Now, this is a leadership retreat every 6 months for those who are partaking in the Dare to Dream, okay? And now we have made it 6 months because from your first Dare to Dream to the end of the second Dare to Dream, you should be making some good money that you can even finance yourself. We might be seeking for sponsorship from the company or our top leaders, but we are not counting on that, right? We want you to rewrite your financial story. So that is why we call it the Imperium experience. And look, it is not just about going, having the international trip, we're going to have fun. Yes, that part is there. We are going to have serious mental training. We are going to have serious leadership skill building. We are going to enter into a time like as if we are chanting, and you will not come out the same again. Because when you come out, the mindset you are coming out of that in the Imperium experience, you will be mad. People will not believe what you are doing. But then you rise like Elon Musk and they will see the results that are showing. Okay? I don't believe I'm an average person. I believe that I am something else I do not understand. I'm just waiting for the right system to activate me. And I believe that this is the system. So if you believe that this is the system, then you should know that we are going to do something crazy here. Yes. So then what is all give back to the society to create an impact, the less privileged. Okay, imagine the joy in finding out that you are in Nigeria, you are in South Africa, you are in any other part of the world, but you have given $1 or $2 that has put a smile on someone's face in one village that you do not even know. They don't know you, you don't know them. Imagine the joy that will give you. So that is what we are going to be doing with the Imperium Foundation, which will be launching along the way. And when we get there, if we are making that money, I don't care sponsoring everything by myself because I know what these things can do, the change these things can do. Okay. So now we are saying that launch your business, launch your empire. And listen, any changes to the things that you already are. Make the change. Okay, make the change. It's like you have a bushy hair all over, like my own right now that I want to trim. Okay, you will look the way you look. The moment you trim your hair, you begin to look different. It means you have caused a change that is causing an outward change on you. So make that change, make that bold decision to do something special. And what is that special? Make the move to launch your empire so that you can build a legacy. Go and build the kind of business you want to build with the Imperium. It is possible. How do you get started? Get registered, do your KYC, deposit, connect to the traders, and that is all, which gets you started as someone who will be making profit on autopilot. And you can start with minimum of $10 or you can start with $250 if you want to start building the affiliate community. And be reminded that you do not need to be recruiting before you can make profit. You can just connect to the traders and be making your money if that is what you want. No one is saying it is compulsory for you to do anything in the system. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, dear partners, for being on the call tonight. I believe that we are going to do something amazing. So if you are here, you have been invited by someone, quickly get back to the person and make sure you get the link and you get started tonight. And don't forget that the Imperium, we are having the 90-day game plan, which is the Dare to Dream. If you have dreams and you want to know whether they are possible, I'm daring you to take that step. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Emery. Thank you for this wonderful presentation. Guys, let's give him a round of applause. If you really enjoy this presentation, let's show love. Let's show love to him. Show him some love. I need some love emoji. I need some love emoji. Leader, your energy is second to none. We love you. We love that. We love that. Thank you so much. Guys, we are on our 90-day game plan. Everyone needs to sit up. And this is a time to liberate ourselves and to set ourselves free. So, guys, let's go home, sleep, and memorize on all that we have learned tonight. See you guys tomorrow. And please tell others. Don't just come alone, come with friends and family members. We are on a mission, and that mission is to set everyone free. That mission is a freedom mission. Poverty must go. It's a freedom mission. So be part of this mission and